Hey guys, welcome to our Sekhain. Today's lesson will let you learn many words about elections and politics. What exactly do politicians mean? What they talk about? A lame duck or a rubber chicken? What is red tape? And who is the silent majority? The glossary will help you to understand political talk a little better the next time you hear it on the evening news or read about it online. Number 1. Big government. Big government is a pejorative term for a government or public sector that is considered excessively large or unconstitutionally involved in certain areas. Number 2. Bipartisan. A corporative effort by two political parties. Number 3. Turnout. The number of people who go to vote in an election. Number 4. Bully pulpit. A public office or position of authority that provides its occupant with an opportunity to speak out on any issue. Number 5. Caucus. An informal meeting of local party members to select a candidate to represent a political party. Convention. A national meeting of a political party where delegates formally elect a party's nominee. Number 7. Coalition. When two or more political parties work together to form a government. Number 8. Filibuster. An attempt by a senator or group of senators to obstruct the passage of a bill. Favored by the majority, by talking continuously, a senator can prevent a bill from coming up for a vote by talking endlessly. Number 9. Landslide. A victory that is very large. Number 10. Incumbent. The person that currently holds a political office. Number 11. Manifesto. A document that states what a political party or government will do. Number 12. Opinion poll. A survey in which a random group of people are asked their views. Number 13. Proportional representation. A voting system in which parties get seats related to their total number of votes. Number 14. Pundit. A person who is an expert and often works for the media. Number 15. Referendum. A vote by the population of a country about a specific topic or piece of legislation. Number 16. Regime. The collective group of people responsible for running a country. Number 17. Front burner. Where an issue is placed, then it must be dealt with immediately. Number 18. Grassroots. Political activity that originates locally or arises from ground level. Number 19. Lame duck. An office holder whose term has expired and cannot be continued. Number 20. Political suicide. A voter action that is likely to be so unpopular with voters as to cause a politician probable loss in the next election. Number 21. Red tape. Government paperwork and procedures that are slow and difficult. Number 22. Rubber chicken circuit. The endless series of public dinners and luncheons politicians must attend to raise funds and make speeches. The food often includes chicken, which is cooked hours earlier and then reheated, giving it a rubbery texture. Number 23. Silent majority. The silent majority is an unspecified large group of people in a country or group who don't express their opinions publicly. Number 24. Stump. To camping in person on a local level. Number 25. Trial balloon. An idea politicians suggest in order to observe the reaction. If public reaction is favorable, the politician takes credit for it. If not, the idea dies quickly. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. If you did, hit that like button down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care.